I am Dr. Harleen Sethi from Dontia Dental Care, Kolkata. हमारे इस चैनल में मिलेंगे आपको some dental information videos and smile makeovers by our dentist from Dontia Dental Care. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Hi, I just realized that it's been a decade that I have been coming to Dontia. I first came here in the year 2012. I had a bit, of course, Dontia dental care means some dental issues I had. I did not have any unhealthy dental issues, but it is all about the appearance, the look, which I was pretty annoyed with. I had a little bit unevenness, a bit of overlapping, and a little bit of size issue, so which was taken care by Dr. Shetty, and he is my go-to person whenever it comes to anything related to dental. So, and I just realized that today it's 2022, and it's been 10 years, a decade of my journey with these lovely people. So when it comes to my dental hygiene or appearance or any issue, I just have one name. There's nothing else. I have relocated. I am kind of relocated to a different city and a state, but I wait till the time I have my hometown visit, because I know I have to go this place only, otherwise I do not get any other place to get my dental checkup done. Thank you Dontia and the entire team.